Hello and welcome to week 11's homework to-do list. So the first thing I have on here is number 2, practice your phonograms. Think of your quiz and what maybe you had trouble with. Then move on to number 3. You should have seen this last week, and also on here it says to start working on your phonics lesson plan with your sound card. Pause here and open the link. So here's the link. On the top, it's the lesson plan template. It matches the one that I taught in class, and the page number for that is page 83. And here are the steps. You need to be ready either by the 8th or the 9th, depending on which class you're in. And you need to be able to teach that on the 8th or the 9th. I wrote in here, if you're absent, what are your options? Okay, pause and go back to the to-do list. And then continue on with this. We're going to be starting to talk about morphology. In your notebook on page 102, look at chapter 4, and I want you just to take notes on the terms. Here's a link of what my notebook looks like. So again, here are some of those terms that are in chapter 4. I just want you to make sure that you understand what they are. So write down a definition for each. And then in your notebook, page 103, 104, there's an article, and it's about how we help kids who are older and struggling readers. I really want you to spend a lot of time on this article. I put in 2 links of what the notebook pages would look like. I don't want you to rush through. I really want you to at least give it an hour of your time and really dive into this content so we're able to move forward in our conversations and talk about morphology. The link here is attached. And I will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Happy Halloween.